Hey guys, so Paws claiming is finally live, alright? So I'm going to share with you how you can claim your Paws to your wallet, okay? So all you need to do is to come to your favorite browser and type Paws community, and this place will pop out like this. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on this Paws home. When you click on that place, it's going to take you to this space. All you need to do is to click on TG dashboard. You click on TG dashboard. When you click on the TG dashboard, you will see Phantom Wallet, Pulse Telegram app, Turn Wallet. All you need to do is to click on Phantom Wallet. When you click on the Phantom Wallet, Phantom is going to appear like this. You click on Phantom and then you click on just once, just like the way you saw me doing. And remember that this pause claim will soon end, so do the needful as soon as possible. Alright, so when you get to this place, you hold on until this message pump out like this, alright, showing you. Signing this message will prove you have ownership of the selected account. Only sign messages from applications you trust, alright? So just because it's Solana and it's my wallet that appeared here, I'm going to click on confirm. When you click on confirm, you hold on and let this place pump out like this. So when it pumps out like this, you scroll down and click on next. Now this is the total pause that I have in my wallet that was allocated to me. Now if you are blocked, this your balance will not show. I think there's a way they appeal it. If you want me to do a video like that, just let me know. I'm going to, share with you how you can appeal so that you can get your pause back. Okay. So since my balance is showing here, I'm going to click on claim. All right. Remember we are claiming to, exchanges. All right. So once you click on claim, this thing will pump out like this. You click on I agree. You have to agree with the terms and conditions. All right. So you click on agree. When you click on agree, you click on continue. Now when you get to this place, claim pause withdrawal options. Now for centralized exchanges, they are taking 3% withdrawal fee, all right, but this other one, chain withdrawal, is not available for now, so it's only on the centralized that we are using for now. All right, so you click on it. So when you click on it, you see Bybit and BitGet will appear. Guys, if this is the first time of coming across my video, please help me subscribe to my channel. I talk about money making platforms, and of course, Pause is about money too. So I decided to share it with my community people. Alright, so join my family by clicking the subscribe button. Also like this video so that it will get to people that is finding it difficult to claim their Pause. Alright, so thank you as it is. So let's continue. So you click on, I'm going to click on Bybit, of course, because I don't know what happened. My BitGet is not working for me. Of course, I'm going to click on Bybit because I love Bybit. Alright, when you click on Bybit, they will not ask you whether you have an account or not. So if you have, just go ahead and click on yes, I do. If you don't have, click on no, create one. You go ahead and create a new one. So, but I have it, so I'm going to click on yes, I do. Now, when you click on this, Bybit will appear. Now, what all they need from you is to input your Bybit UID and a deposit address. All right, so let me take you to my Bybit and share with you how you can copy your deposit address and your UID. So this is my Bybit. So for you to get your deposit address, you have to click on deposit here, or this yellow one that is showing at the top right corner of your screen. So you can click on any one. All right, so I'm going to click on deposit. So once you click on the deposit, you click on deposit crypto. Of course, it's crypto that you want to deposit into the wallet. So you click on deposit crypto. So when you get to this place, make sure it's showing on crypto, not fiat. All right. So now you go ahead and search for the Paws. So you can click on this place that says please select your preferred pair. So you click on it and search for the Paws. So I'm going to go ahead and type Paws. So when you get to this place, after you type pause, this is what will appear. Make sure it's showing soul, all right, because I'm working with soul, all right. So you click on it. Make sure the chain type you make deposit to is the one you make withdrawals from, all right. So you click on OK. So now this is your wallet address, all right. So this is your wallet address. You can copy it and go and put it there, all right. So all you need to do is to click on this place here, this copy icon here. You go ahead and copy it. You go ahead and say copy successfully. So you minimize and go back to your browser. So you minimize and go back to your browser and impute this wallet that you've copied. So I'm going to click here and put in my address. So my address is here. So the next thing I will need is my Bybit UID. So for you to get your Bybit UID, you click on this picture, this place that shows like picture in the top left corner of your screen. So when you click on it now, this is your UID, alright. So you click on this little place, this copy arrow here, alright. You click on it. So you come back and input your Bybit UID. So when you are done doing all these processes, you click on continue. So if you do a mistake, you can actually change the address, alright, or maybe you want to use either BitGet, alright, you can still come back and change the address, you understand. But for me, I will click on continue and then click on confirm, then click on finish. Alright, so when you're done, they're going to show you this message. Congrats, the information is saved. The tokens will be available for trading once the market opens. Yay! So we are done, we are done, we are done. Alright, so if you haven't done this, please do this so with immediate effect too, so that when it's time for us to trade, you will start trading with it. Alright, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.